Hi guys, welcome to another video session. This is the third video of the series creating a .NET Selenium framework from scratch. This video will help you to do the data driven part, the configurable part, where we do not hard code the values, username, passwords and URLs. So what we are going to do is we are going to put it into a JSON file and read it from the utility that I have created, a method which will grab the data from the JSON file once we specify the path of the file, the file name with the name parameter in the JSON file. So it will fetch the value for that relevant name. So what we are going to do is what I've done is basically I have created a utility folder in my framework to make it well organized, and I have created a JSON Reader class where it will read the there's a method which will read the value from the JSON file provided the file name with the path and the item name. So this can be get from GitHub of my GitHub URL. So what I'm going to do is I have implemented the functionality. I will name this as not Viper because I reused it from my Viper framework, so I will put it as utility dot JSON read. Okay, this is my namespace, so it's in utility JSON read. So what I'm going to do is I am going to kind of remove the hard coded values from my test case, the login test case. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the method that I have implemented in the JSON Reader class. So for this one, what we have to go do is we have to use using utility dot JSON read, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to instantiate an object from that class. So JSON Reader JS read, I will put it as JS read equals new JSON Reader. There we go. So we have instantiated an object. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to put this here, right? Rather than hard coded values, I will put JS read dot JSON Reader, then within the parameters, within the parentheses, I'm going to give the parameters, the file name along with the path. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the properties, and I'm going to copy the path which is from here, and I'm going to paste it in my JSON Reader path. Here we go. So I have to change this to // Selenium framework / data source / data.json, and I need to fetch the URL comma within quotes, within quotes, I specify the URL. Right. So what we'll do is we'll run and see this whether it works fine, or we have to do some fine tuning. So I have an issue, it doesn't take from here, so let's try from class path. So let's run this and see now. Okay, it goes to the Guru 99 demo, the URL, but it takes from the JSON file rather than hard coding. So let's drive the data. The username passwords are also, let's drive that also from our JSON file. Okay, we paste it here, and we paste this one also here. Right, so now what we are going to do is I'm going to take the JSON Reader file, data file, and I'm copying the necessary name given to get the value. So username, then the other one is password. So save. Let's run this and see whether we are getting the username and the password from the JSON file. Navigates to the site. Types the username and password from JSON file. So why do I use JSON files than Excel files? Because JSON files are much faster in access. So that's why I have used JSON files in this data driven capability. So we have added the data driven capability. So you can, similar way, you can create any values that can be taken from the JSON files rather than just hard coding. So if you like this video, please put a like in the LinkedIn post. Thanks guys.